Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to use DeepSeek R1 Distill model locally. Visit the website lmstudio.ai and here you will find the link to download LM Studio for Windows, Mac and Linux. I am showing this tutorial on Windows, so I will download the LM Studio for Windows. LM Studio will allow you to download the DeepSeek R1 model locally and run it on your computer. So the model will run locally and it won't send your data outside your computer. So you will be able to use the DeepSeek R1 model locally. So let's get started and start downloading the LM Studio for Windows. So here you can see it is being downloaded. Click on the model catalog and here you will see the list of model which is available here, and it is listed the DeepSeek R1 Distill model, and we will be using this model on this machine. So let's wait for the download to complete. Now the download is completed. Click on the exe file to install the LM Studio. The LM Studio installer is started. I will select the use for me option and click next. Click next and you can see the installer is installing LM Studio. Installation is completed and click finish. Now the LM Studio will start. LM Studio is started, and if I click on get your first LM, it is not displaying the option to download the DeepSeek R1 model. So for now click on skip onboarding, and I want to change the look and feel of this LM Studio. To do this, click here app setting, and we have the option classic, light, sepia, dark. So I will go with the classic one, and this is changed. Now I will show you how you can download the model. Click on LM Studio build and select go to lmstudio.ai, and this opens this page. Now I will click on model catalog and here search for DeepSeek. So this is DeepSeek R1 distilled, 7 billion, 8 billion parameter, and we can also see the DeepSeek code V2 Lite, but it is not the R1 model, and there is DeepSeek Math 7 billion. Download this one. To download, click here and click the option use in LM Studio. Now click on the open LM Studio. Now we got the option to download so click on download, and it is 4.9 GB. So download will take some time. Model is downloaded successfully and the size is 4.92 GB. Now we can load the model by clicking on the load model, and you can see it is loading the model now. So I have opened the task manager, and I think model is loaded to the memory. Now we can start chatting with the model. Let's write something. write hello and click on send. So this is sent to the model, and you can see in the CPU. Now we can ask something, which was the first CPU in my system. It is using the CPU. I am using i7-9700K CPU, and on this CPU performance is a little slow, but it's okay. The concept of GPU, graphics processing unit, was evolved over time, but the idea behind them dates back to 1950s. However, the first mass-produced GPU that could be considered a standalone component came about in the mid-1990s. Okay, see, so it produced the output, and you can see after output generation, the CPU usage goes very down. Now I can ask some other question. So this is a very basic Python example. I am asking that write me hello world Python program. So assistant is working. Now the DeepSeek R1 model is generating the output, and it is about to complete. And the sure here is a simple hello world program in Python, print hello world. And if I run it in Python, it will print the hello world message. And it also provided the steps to run the program. Save the code in a file with the .py extension. For example, hello underscore world.py. Open the file in a text editor or IDE. Run the program using Python command line interface or an integrated development environment. If you are new to Python, this is a great way to get started. So we can use the DeepSeek R1 distilled model in Windows machine. In less than 15 minutes, we learned how to download DeepSeek R1 Distill Llama model on the Windows computer and then run it in the LM Studio. In fact, we first downloaded LM Studio, and through LM Studio we downloaded the model, and after loading the model we are able to chat with the model, and model is generating the output. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.